Hello students, so today I am going to start the topic a and the from your English grammar, okay. And this topic is very easy and simple because you all already studied about a and the in your previous classes, okay. So today I am going to start this topic and first one is about vowels and consonants. So about vowels and consonants, you know very well that there are how many vowels, there are how many consonants, but one time I am going to discuss these all, okay, to recall these all. So we all know very well that A, B, C, D, E up to Z are letters of English alphabet, okay, and there are 26 letters of all. From that 26 letters of these A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, okay, and the rest are consonants. So A, E, I, O, U, these 5 are vowels. So rest from 26, these 5 are vowels, so rest 21 are consonants, okay. So about A, I'm going to discuss first of all. So A and an suggest any one person or thing. We know very well that whenever we use a or an, that suggests about a one person, about a single person or thing, okay. A is used before words beginning with consonant sound. So A is also used before the words that are beginning with consonant sounds, like that book. So book, B double OK. So B is a consonant, okay, and we will use A before that, before consonant sound. So a book, a chair, a cup, a boy, a cat, a tree. So A is always used before means that the word that beginning with a consonant sound, but an is used before words that beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. If any word is beginning with this vowel sound, so before that we will use an. We will not use A before that. We will use an before that. For example, apple. So apple, A is consonant, okay, so that's why we will use an apple. Orange, O is also consonant, so that's why we will use an orange. An ice cream, an egg, an ox, an umbrella. So about the uses of a and an, you know very well that we use a before any word that beginning with consonant sound, and sound, not letter. Just listen to me carefully that I am talking about sound, not I am talking about letter. The words that are beginning with consonant sound, before that we will use a, okay, and the words that are beginning with vowel sound, for before that we will use an, because there are some words also that begins with the letter consonant but that produce the sound of vowel, okay. So before that also we will use an, okay. So we also write an as, an ant, an all, an eye, an artist, an elephant, an hour. So you can see here an hour. Hour is started with H, and H is not a vowel, okay, H is consonant. So but after before before hour we added we use an. Why we use an before hour? Because okay, that is starting with a consonant letter, but we H is silent there, okay, and we pronounce it like that. How we pronounce it means that pronounce hour, not hour, that is hour, okay. So hour sound is of vowel, that's why we will use and before that. That's why I told you that we will not talking about the letters, we will talk I'm talking here about the sound, about the consonant sound and vowel sound. Okay, a or an, any person or one thing. A we will use before a consonant sound and we will use before a vowel sound. Okay, that's very easy and simple. Now about the, where we will use the, so we use a or an while talking of any one person, okay, or thing. Okay, so and we will use the while talking of a definite person or thing. Okay, if we are talking about a definite person, okay, if we are talking about a definite thing, so before that we will use the, like that, a house. Okay, and you can say the house in which we live. So here it is definite that in this house we live. Okay, so the house in which we live. For example, the, a definite person or things, where we will use the before a definite person or things. Okay, like that we use the with the special name of places, rivers, mountains, ranges, mountain ranges or books, etc. Like that Taj Mahal, it is a definite place. Okay, it is a definite that is called monuments. Okay, so before that we will use the. Okay, now the Ganga, it means that it is a special name, that is Ganga. So the Ganga, the Gita, before some special names of the places, rivers, mountain ranges, etc. Okay, we also use the with the sun, moon, earth and sky. Okay, the sun, the moon, the earth, okay, the sky. So here in question E and in question F, here some questions are given. You have to use a, and or the before that. In G also you have to use a and or the before that. Okay, and in H question also you have to use a, and or the before that. Okay, so go through the video and complete this topic, that is a and the. Okay, and complete the question E, F, G, H. Okay, thank you.